In Oszilloskop, the secondary ignition oscilloscope menu is selected. The adaptation of the secondary circuit is carried out by connecting the high-tension or kV adapter leads. For engines without traditional ignition leads, measurement can be carried out with a universal high-tension measuring probe available as an optional accessory. Two sets of high-tension kV adapter leads are supplied, one set of black negative kV leads and one set of red positive kV leads. In order that the positive and negative ignition voltages are not displayed upside down on the FSA monitor, it's important that the kV leads are connected in the correct order. The following procedure is therefore recommended. Start the engine. The kV adapter leads are connected starting with number 1 ignition cable. At the same time, check the FSA monitor to see if the signal is upside down. If the signal is upside down, replace the kV lead with the other color. Basically, the kV terminals must be connected so that the secondary signals deflect upward. For the correct cylinder assignment, the trigger clamp must be connected to number 1 cylinder. Now the secondary ignition signals can be evaluated. F7 can be used to adjust the time base on the horizontal x-axis in degrees, percentage or milliseconds. F8 vertical y-axis can be adjusted to show a clear representation of the ignition firing voltage. For signal analysis, press F4 to display different representations of the ignition curves. Either the individual cylinders in firing sequence in raster format, one on top of the other, or in parade format, one after the other. Press F3 to stop the signal. You can then press F7 to use further analytical functions. Namely, 1. View of the secondary voltage progression of the saved secondary signal. 2. View of the spark voltage progression of the saved secondary signal. 3. View of the spark duration progression of the saved secondary signal. Furthermore, it is possible to save a record, which can be printed out as a test report. Further analytical options for checking the secondary circuit are available in the test procedures of the FSA software under Secondary Ignition. Full adaptation. Bar charts are available here. The left chart displays the ignition voltage of each cylinder. The middle chart displays the combustion voltage of each cylinder. The right-hand chart shows the spark duration of each cylinder. Measurements can be taken at different speeds for comparison purposes.